Hi, good morning, guys. This is lesson 17. As lesson 1 to lesson 16, we learned the first and second series of the Khmer consonants and the vowels. So I hope you will take time to practice more on that. So today I'm going to continue, to help you practice your reading skills again. So now we go to Prakop Nung. So a combination of the Khmer consonant and vowel here. So you see the little dot here. It will explain below here after this lesson. So this little dot on top of the ka here is to make the sound shorter, sharp. Okay. So example of this without, so the first row here. So you see the first row. No bantok, we call bantok this one. No bantok, and the sound is long. So ka, ka, ja, da, ta, ba, sa, la, a. See, so all long sounds. But when you put bantok at the end on top of ka, like ka, this one, the upper one is ka. But when you put this one, is the short. The sound is shorter, like ka, ka, ja, da, ta, ba, sa, la, a. Ka, ka, ja, da, ba, sa. So when we put bantok here, ka, ka, ja, da, ba, sa. Okay. Cọc, chọc, chô, chay, đầy, phật, sật, trò trọ, trò trọ, bộc, bầm bày, chòm này, đầm này, chế tùm, chế tùm, cốc hà, nề rí, cọ sọ, chế chật, sầm tổ, xây chật chế tùm si lơ sầm bộc. Đoạn tiết và again. Xế chật chế tùm si lơ sầm bộc. Okay. So, see, if you look at the picture here, pak, pak, to drink, and cock is a type of animal here. No, I'm sorry, it's a type of a bird here in Khmer. Cock, we say cock because cock, and cọ sọ, to wash your hair, cọ sọ, cọ sọ. Okay, so explanation with the bantok I just mentioned about earlier. So សញ្ញាបន្តក់ So បន្តក់ជាវណ្ណយុត្តសម្រាប់បំបែកសូរវែងឲ្យមកជាសូរខ្លី So this little dot here on top of the letter we just seen this moment is a symbol to use to make the long sound become the short sound. Okay, guys, so again, so practice reading this again by yourself so that you can play with the sound. You can play with this little letter here. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So I hope you like it, and we will continue this. So here again, continue from this one here. ប្រកបនឹងក again ត continue. So but with the go, so go, ngỡ, chớ, phở, lỡ, vợ, cụ, ngụa, trụ, phụ, lụ, vụ, bế, thế, rĩa, lẹ, bẹ, thẹ, rẹ, lẹ, chỉ, mua, mệt, ri, rè, lu, lực, vượt, về, bộ bộ, rồi lộ, ទឹករាក់ដីភក់វីវក់ពុកពាក់មួកទៅជីកដីភក់ so មួក here it has a meaning មួក it mean like the hat មួក okay so here so ពុកពាក់មួកទៅជីកដីភក់ so ដីភក់ so ដីភក់ here is a mud G is to dig but G is to dig okay good thank you very much guys I hope you will do like these 2 pages and please practice by yourself okay